killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand, call.
What is up? What is up? You haven't noticed by now? The package is here. The main package I was telling y'all is here. Oh, man. So I had to open it up, take it out there, have a look at it, see how it fits and everything. But I told y'all, man, I got these videos coming. So with that being said, let's go ahead and show y'all what it is. So this right here, I'm gonna give y'all where I got it, the price. It will not get installed today. So probably by the time y'all see this video, these will be getting dropped off at the paint shop to get painted and everything. With that being said, let's go ahead and see what we got here for y'all. Oh man, y'all know what those are? Okay, anybody tell me what those are? What is that? What is that? What is, I don't know what it is. Just kidding, man. So what we doing is we taking the civil back to a whole wider level. That's right. We're gonna go wide body. This kit right here, it ran me. Come on, man. Y'all know I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. This kit right here ran me $45. You got two fronts and you got two rears. We're gonna try this kit out. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put it on. If we like it, we're gonna keep it. If not, y'all know I'll just go ahead and suck it up and get the full body kit. But right now I just wanted the wider flares on it to make it look a little bit better, a little bit wider, a little bit beefier. So yeah, by the time y'all see this video, these will be painted Destroyer Gray, or should I keep them black? Which one? Yeah, I need y'all comment down below. Let me know, should I paint these Destroyer Gray or leave them matte black? Comment down below and let me know. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that post notification bell button. I gotta talk to y'all for a second, man. So yesterday I got a guy messaged me yesterday saying F, you know, V6s and stuff like that. Let me break this down to you. How you feel about a V6 and a V8, that's your opinion, that's your personal opinion. But understand me when I say this. I've had a V8. I've had two V8s. Matter of fact, I've had three V8s. A motorcycle. I've had those little V8s or whatever. If you feel that the V6s, you know what I'm saying, ain't for you, why comment, man? This is for, like I say, this channel right here is helping folks with V6s, making their car sound a little aggressive than what it is, man. So don't get it wrong. And like I say, it's a lot of V8s out there, man. A lot of y'all V8 drivers. I don't knock y'all for nothing. I applaud y'all for whatever. But it's a lot of y'all can't drive. I'm sorry to say it, but a lot of y'all V8s can't drive easily. Y'all still spinning while I'm down the road 2-3 car lengths. So let's get that straight, first of all. Second of all, everybody don't want V8s, bro. You know what I'm saying? Us V6s, we driving all day. Y'all V8s, y'all driving what, 2-3 out the week? Because of your gas, you burning gas. But enough of that being said though, man. But yeah, man, so I told y'all I was gonna have these mods coming. I still got more mods coming. This one just so happened to come today. I told you they was gonna come, but this one so happened to come today. If I knew it was gonna come today, man, I'd have shot this video earlier and then gave y'all a little hint. But yeah, man, 45 bucks. I'm gonna give y'all the description down low in the link. But like I said, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, man, subscribe to the channel, man. I got more stuff coming for the V6 Silverback. The racing stripes, man, I don't know, man. I might get them redone. I might just take it and get it professionally redone. I kind of like the way I did it, but then again, I kind of don't. Y'all understand what I'm saying? It looks like it's a little slight off, and like I say, I plan on fixing it. But if push come to shove, man, I'll take it and get it done professionally and give y'all a price on it. Y'all know I'm not gonna go out and spend too much on getting it professionally done. But I had to come to y'all with this because why not go wide body? But like I said, we gonna go with these for right now. See how it looks. What I'll do is I'll do the 3M tape on the back of it. These right here, it says to drill. I don't want to drill unless it's permanent. So I went out there, me and my boy, man, he was holding one while, you know, I was looking at it. I like it. And they just flares. They gave it a little wider look. But like I say, I'm gonna go with 3M tape to go on with them. But I'm not gonna get those put on until y'all comment down below and let me know, should I paint them Destroyer Gray or should I leave them that black? Like I said, I just need y'all's info. I'm gonna go with y'all on this one. So I'll say by Sunday, I'll go by the votes on should I paint them Destroyer Gray or should I leave them this matte black? Because I'm in between. I was saying I was gonna paint them the Destroyer Gray the same color as the car, but after looking at them on the car, man, y'all, it's I don't know. It's bringing out some of the black. It's bringing out the black, but then again, at the same time, I kind of want it all to blend to the same color like that yellow. But we'll say Sunday. Y'all let me know by voting. Should I paint them Destroyer Black or should I paint them? Should I leave them Destroyer Black or should I paint them Destroyer Gray? I messed that up, didn't I? I know. That's the point of a YouTube live. But yeah, man. So y'all let me know, man. Should I leave them matte black or paint them Destroyer Gray, man? Also, I'm gonna try to keep most of the negative comments out of it, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, man, I understand it's a V6. Oh wow, yes, it's a V6. Whether it sounds like a V8, read the captions close. It says sounds close to a V8, not sound like a V8. Sound close to it. So understand that, man. I'm not gonna come back at you negative, because that's what negative people want. They want to spit negative and want negative to come back. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not that type of person, man. I'm here to, you know, post positive stuff, man, and help these kids out and help the older folks out or whoever trying to upgrade their car, man. Like I say, at the end of the day, I'm making a payment on this car, you not. Also, my other subscriber, man. Oh man, your package will be here tomorrow, but sadly I won't be here. So yeah, we taking a little R&R, man. I gotta go to the beach and just take a little R&R. The Silverback will not be going to the beach this trip. It will be going on the next trip. But like I said, man, I'm gonna get some 3M tape and put this on. I'll take pictures with it on there. But then again, like I said, y'all, I need y'all's comments down below. Y'all vote on which color I should do. Should I leave it that color or should I just paint it Destroyer Gray and put it on there? What else, man? Like I said, I got 2 more mods coming for the car that I do think y'all will like also. But I just thought y'all needed to see what it was. That's right. We are going wide body, peoples. Captain Cots, we are going wide body. V6s, we going wide body. Like I said, I will have a description down below, how much they cost. Let me see if I can, okay, how much they cost. And this is the front. This is the front. See how wide it is? No, I don't need spacers. I would not need spacers for these. It kind of about lined up right with them. So yeah, I do not need spacers for them. That's the front one. Let me see if I can get y'all a back one, so you can see how wide the back one is. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to do this with one hand, man. But yeah, this is the back piece. Come on. So let me give y'all a glimpse of what the back piece looks like. And this is the back piece. It's a little bit wider. Let me see if I turn that way. So y'all see how wide that is? That's how wide it is, man. Like I said, the tires fit perfect right there at it. No modification, no wheel spacers. I was thinking I was gonna have to get wheel spacers. I don't know, man. I might get a wheel spacer, bring it out a little bit. I might. But y'all comment down below and tell me if I should get wheel spacers or not. But until the meantime, oh yeah, Rock Hill High. That's for my daughter, man. My daughter cheerleaded there. This is her last year. She graduated. Be going to USC. But yeah, and that's University of South Carolina, not University of Southern Cal. Sadly, I'll be a Gamecock.